What is an interrogative pronoun? I'm sure you'll be glad to learn how to use interrogative pronouns in English. We will continue to learn. The subject of today's session is interrogative pronouns. The interrogative pronoun or WH-pronouns. These pronouns help to get to know unknown objects and persons that must be named in the response. It is clear from the name of this group that it is used to form special questions. Usually, they are used to substitute a person or an object when asking a question. There are only 5 interrogative pronouns. In this module, you'll learn the usage of the 5 different interrogative pronouns. The types of interrogative pronouns are who, whom, what, which, whose. These pronouns are also known as WH-pronouns since they all begin with the letter WH. Pronouns who means for people or person. For instance, who are you? Pronoun whom is used for people or persons. For example, whom is she talking to? The pronoun what is used for the things. For instance, what are you doing? The pronoun which is used for things and sometimes for people. For example, which color do you prefer? The pronoun whose is used for a person's possession. For instance, whose book is this? What are WH questions? The questions which are asked to get a specific response or to derive certain information are formed WH questions. In simple words, if you want to get information about someone or something, you always have to ask a WH question. How to form the WH questions? Well, there are 2 simple rules for forming WH questions. Rule A. Use the auxiliary verb to form the question by using the formula WH, pronoun plus modal / auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, where do you study? Why has he gone? Rule B. In some cases, we don't use auxiliary verbs if WH pronouns who, which and what are the subject of the sentence. So you can use this formula. Subject WH, pronoun plus verb. For example, who is in the movie? What are you doing? Which dress is better? Now let's look at how the interrogative pronouns should be used in the sentences. Pronoun who. It is used to know about the subject. For instance, who are you? Who is cleaning the house? Who called you last night? Who paid my bill? Pronoun whom. It is used to know about the object. For instance, to whom did you speak? Whom did they call? Whom is she talking to? Whom do you support? Pronoun whose. It is used to ask to whom something belongs. For instance, whose car was parked there? Whose book is this? Whose mother works as a teacher? Whose is this bike? Pronoun which. It is used to ask someone to be exact about one or more people or things from a limited number. For instance, which of them is the shortest? Which color do you like the most? Which is the biggest investor in this area? Which one took my book? Pronoun what. It is usually used to refer to inanimate, non-living objects and actions. For instance, what are you doing? What do you want? What is the color of your dress? What do you want for dinner? Let's take a test. Fill in the blanks with the right answers. Here are the correct answers. We hope that is clear. Don't forget to get some practice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel.